the pennywort plant, also known as dollar weed plant. Today we will learn about this plant, which is also grown as an ornamental plant. Hi, welcome to KV's Plants and Orchids. You are seeing my dollar weed or the pennywort plant. It is also known as water pennywort or marsh pennywort. It is a water loving plant, usually seen in marshy areas, and sometimes you will see them floating in water. So when you grow them, you need to take care of some requirements of the plant. It is a warm season loving perennial weed. It gets the name pennywort from the silver dollar shaped leaves. You can see the small penny like leaves, round leaves. How will you distinguish it from other varieties of pennywort? There are some other plants also which look like pennywort, but if you have to make sure, this pennywort plant will have the stem in the center of the leaf. Okay, see, it is just like an umbrella, you can see. So when you, there is another plant which is used in medicine also. So that plant will have leaf in the side, not on the center. Actually, I had that plant also. This rainy season I lost many plants, and that is also one among them. So this is a very beautiful ornamental plant which won't grow very tall, because the stem can grow only up to this, and it spreads through its runners. You can see the runner, actually how it comes, and it has small seeds. It flowers also, so it produces seeds, and it has small rhizomes also. That is the propagation. So here this runner has come out, so I am thinking of propagating by keeping a small container with the potting soil in it, so that it can produce another plant. So that is the way I am going to divide, because my plant is not very big inside, so I don't want to disturb it, or otherwise you can divide by root division also. It don't like very harsh sunlight. You can grow them in indirect sunlight. You can keep them in inside home also, but there should be some sunlight coming through the windows, and it needs, the soil should be always moist. Here you can see I just keep it inside a small bowl of water, so it will get the water. You can see how the sand is wet, and potting soil has to be moist, so it is better to use a garden soil. My garden soil is very moist, so I haven't added anything. If your garden soil is very sandy, you can add some coco peat also, but it is the soil has to be moist always to have a healthy plant. Then you can fertilize, some weak fertilizer you can give, seaweed fertilizer or any vermicompost. You can put them in water and you can fertilize. It doesn't need heavy fertilization. And actually this plant is considered as a weed because it is invasive. So if you are growing in ground, it can cover that area very fast. So here, since I am growing in pot for its ornamental value, it's okay. Unless if it has any soil medium, it will be difficult for it to grow invasive. And this plant is used in making beauty products and in Ayurveda also. And this is edible, but I have not eaten it. So because of that, it is not poisonous for pets and children. And I haven't found any pest attack in this. In case anything comes, I am thinking of using neem oil fertilizer only. You can see one small leaf which is there. Can you see? The small leaf look like this. And from the runner, from each node a leaf will come. See here. And the node will produce roots also. So here I have kept a pot with water to make sure that this soil also is wet, and I keep them very nearby so that it can attach its roots here. That is the way I am going to propagate it. You can propagate in other ways also. This is a very beautiful plant. If you happen to see it in any nursery, you can buy it. Actually, this plant I haven't bought it. I saw in a small stem I have taken, and from that I have grown like this. But it is available in nurseries. You can make it. Hope you like the video about pennywort plant. If you like the video, press the like button. If you are a first time viewer, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.